What's going on, guys? Decelation, Brian.
What's up, peeps?
So today we're back on the Factory 5 power check. But this whole video is not going to be us sanding.
Yeah, finally.
Finally a video with no sanding. But if you notice, there's open space over there. And there's a truck here. So truck here, we're taking off the doors. Check. Moving cars. Then check. Then we're pulling the body off, baby. Go-kart stage again. So we're pulling the body off, setting it over there so we can do the finish work on this. And yeah, so this is gonna be kind of a full video of literally just us pulling stuff apart and pulling the body off. And we'll probably end the video there because reasons. I don't think we're in a mood to sand today.
There's what?
Mood to sand today.
No, not a whole lot.
Yeah, it's just gonna be pulling the body off. So stay tuned, guys. It should be a quick and fun one. All right, hey, welcome back. Just to let you guys know, that took us what, 15 minutes, Brian?
Yeah, maybe.
15 minutes to get it. Right now, the body is not even connected anymore. It is ready to come off of the truck. And that was like full doors, latches, everything in. Like Brian and I took 15 minutes to get this ready to go. Yeah, not bad. All right, so I've got to go play musical cars and we'll pull this out so we can pull the body out. Because I think you guys remember the fiasco we had getting this off the first time. That was fun. All right, stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, people. Check. Cars are moved. Brian's got the wood because I'm lazy and I still haven't done the parking brake. Hey, whatever. Yeah, I already turned it back on. I started it earlier today. All right. We're in park. Stay tuned, guys. All right, welcome back, guys. As you guys saw, we brought this animal back in. It's been how many months since we've seen the cab off of it?
It's been a long time. That's what's really happening, folks. We're going to take it all back apart and see if we can get it back in the boxes the way it came.
We threw away most of those boxes, you know, right?
Well, we're about to get some new boxes.
Yeah, we're going to take all of this apart. Bye-bye.
I don't know. There's probably more instructions on how to put it back in the box than there were to put it back together.
Not wrong. Oh man. So no, we took it on the first test drive in August, and we put the body on before I went to the Raptors Health School. So since September, we actually spent more time with the main body on than we did with it off in this entire build. Crazy. But yeah, body's over here, upside down. So we've got some work to do. Brian's gonna go to town on sanding some of this stuff, and yes, nice details, and filling in. You can see where it's transparent right here, and here, and here, and everywhere. And then I'm gonna undercoat it, and then I'm gonna do some noise canceling matting, and then I'm gonna do that Joanne fabric or Michael's fabric trip, and figure out like a liner on top.
Just get some black felt or something.
Yeah, it looks nice. And spray adhesive to this. Yeah. Just thinking all of the work that still needs to get done. It looks like we're so close, but like we just did a rundown off camera. It was like, yeah, this list is still long.
Yeah, we gotta do this, and then we have to do this. While we're doing that,
we gotta do this. Oh, we still need to figure out the mounting bracket for the windshield wipers.
That'll probably be easy once the wires are out of the way.
Yeah. So, and that's another thing that we forgot we gotta do. Yeah, there's a lot of things we gotta do. But yeah, it's still progressing. I will say this is a late for an achievement little button, but Brian and I just realized that we haven't missed a Tuesday upload in over a year. We've uploaded a video at least every Tuesday for over a year. Thank you guys for watching and sticking along. Like there's a lot of you regulars that are in almost every single comment sections. I know you've seen every video. You guys tell me that like I've been watching since the beginning. I've seen all these, and like that really means a lot to me and Brian as well. I think it means a lot to you, Brian.
It does,
because that's awesome. This has been a lot of hard work. This has been really fun, and we're on the home stretch, which means the last 10% takes 90% of the time. I think we've been in that for a while now. So, but yeah. It was really awesome. Thank you guys. I really want to do a heartfelt thank you guys, and we're getting close to 1,000 subscribers. Yeah. All right, you guys have a good one. Peace.
Take it easy, peeps.